Okay, hello. My name is TRethers, as many of you may know. And today, you can see me suiting up. We are going to be making, me and Josh are going to be making a volcano. So, let's get right into it. So first, we're going to have one water bottle for the volcano and one for testing. So I'm going to finish drinking this on camera, of course. Okay, so now we got 2 empty water bottles. So what you're gonna need one if you're gonna be trying to make this at home, kids. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to have gloves on because clay gets pretty sticky. So you're gonna need clay, and you're gonna also need this box here. So we're gonna need brown clay. I don't know what you're on. Chop it. Grab a chuck. Don't get heavy. So we're less. So you're gonna want to find out a lot. You want to find out very much. So dog. So Josh, you guys. Bye, dude. That was my hands. So I guess I'm just like and we're gonna go this. We're going to try to and a bunch of people keep looking at me because I'm recording in public, but don't worry about it because I'm doing this for you guys. So Josh and everything, he's like, good job, crossing that. And I don't know what to say about anyways. So you guys see, I'm like, what do that? I'm doing all this. You just need to fly this easier. Then I'm flying on the actual myself. That's why I'm not cameras. So you guys see all this. But yeah, so you just want to fly out. We're going to later. But just after we're so, is that the camera? Is that the actual camera? Yeah, the actual camera. So, I'm going to the camera. So, really, we're starting to a lot of camera. Probably like at least after, because I'm just going to take it. So, we're going to test the on camera because it's so, we're going to do that. Cool. So, you guys see, first of all, we're using back but it really gets you based on the nigger, so I don't do that. It really don't like what you remember. But yeah, we're just going to continue. So, make this next door. So, you guys see the process. I don't know how to just really practice now. We'll see. We'll see. I see, no problem though. But yeah. Now we should all stuff too. Remember flying up for it? Yeah, we're there. Well, obviously, we're still not, we still all remember, we like things to one block. And then around and stuff. It's actually it's very good. So I heard it. But you get all corners, not exactly. You get all corners, not exactly. He's not going to say we got this huge ton of clay. We got so much. So we got lots of just do it. Just make all that stuff. And I'm not sure we're using very like it's one. And it's mostly cheap. I wouldn't say cheap, but it's yeah, we get for it. We actually get outside just on train and stuff. Make sure it's nice. Actually, now, because I'm going to put it for you. I'm going to and Josh, you can even play fine. So, some box well. There you go. I would like to see your freaking camera. It's actually good. And it'll pass it out. It's okay. It's okay. So, we do that corner. Make sure everything's everywhere. Take that there, find out. I don't know if Josh hands, but we have it. Keep both things like and find out that way. You also have a version of it. I just use my fingers to find out, but it's really good to you. Just make sure this is the same. So, I'm careful with that. Remember, it's sticky, and don't let it not let it. Oh, grab it. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Like I said, I just hold it basically. All good. Keep off that. Okay. And we are finished. So yeah, now that we finished getting the floor done, we're gonna build the actual volcano. So let's get to that. So we're gonna be getting a water bottle and we're gonna cut this tip off. We don't know exactly how much we're gonna cut off yet, but you're gonna want to start off by cutting this tip. This tip. You're gonna want to cut this tip. Can I cut this part, Josh? Like right here.
Huh?
Can I cut like right here?
Oh, you cut through the hole.
Wait, why can't we just cut like right here?
Try it. See what that gets you.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna puncture it. Maybe I should do Josh's way. So you're gonna stick the scissors in. Oh, that's not how it works, Josh. That's not how it works. I'm trying to. Okay, I got a hold of it, and then I'm gonna like. There. Okay. Now the scissor, I've punctured a hole, and then I'm gonna cut a circle. Not too big, but just keep it the same size as the rest of Okay, there we go. As you guys can see, cut it open like this, because you need a hole like that for your volcano. Okay, so now it's time to actually build the actual volcano. We got the floor down. Or the floor basically. Putting my gloves back on. And we're gonna be good. So, So Josh just did this. Off your you push on your little work around the part of your one leg out. And obviously and sit down that. And then you want to push it up against it. And you want to get this way. And you stay excited. Watch Josh cross the next leg. And then once you do that, you're gonna push hands up, push against it. So that it slowly forms a big volcano. Okay. Look nice, so have a nice one. There. Okay, so you just back around. Same thing. Push down. Ooh, yeah. It's getting bigger. And obviously once you get the whole thing done, we'll also see the top, you're like the big foundation play. Take a look, real volcano. Okay, the snakes, let's see what Josh is for the volcano. And then you guys want to just back around, just do that. Refresh, refresh. So start like that, just have that feel. Yep. So you want that. Refresh one. Well, I think so yeah, you have partner just let rolls out against it, mold it. Just around the base there. And let's do one like that. That's what you want like that. So you want to do 6. See it? Yes, you can't. That way though. And move this just a bit. Okay. Just take it. See, look at that. So Josh is going to if we actually play, like keep on around the volcano. It's more than 4 seconds. Oh, look at yep. Okay, so if they're not going to try to really you're like yeah, so looking at me how it's long, look at it, now with Josh basically we're not to I see everyone's Josh people. Okay, so how many of the things you want to make it lighter? So add more, so that so that's it. Yes, a little bit. Okay. Good. Josh, you got enough. Sure, you got enough. So Josh, you need a whole line of lighter. Good. Okay, that's just well, can I come on others? We're a little bit. We're a little good. So like, I think I'm a little bit here. Just squeeze a little bit, make it like several others. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Yeah, just that. No, yes. Okay, so it's looking nicer, but it's still not working. So I can see this now. Like, a little bit on the picture. If I make this Josh inside a little bit, just a little bit on the inside, it's just a little nicer. So yeah, you want to nice. But if you want your stuff, it's nice. So I work on the don't have everything, a little realistic. So you actually also trying to get much later together. But so I just want to run it around your one and have that I'm around it. Yeah, no worries. So it's sorry about that. We'll get it. But I'm also we have a little I'm also on the side around it. It should start, but that's not okay. Actually, yeah. Okay, so it's a little nicer. We're going to be first before, so no, it's not okay. Now it's like looking together, you guys see what's looking. So definitely not a little bit we can. Okay, Josh said no, we'll see. My friends over there. Hi. I'm looking at my camera. Next slide. Yeah, looking at you. Are you sure? Are you sure? I can go to the shop. Are you sure? I'll see how it goes. Okay. So I'm going to camera, so I'm recording volcano. Okay, it's like so fresh now. So you want to make sure the on-the-wall volcano is really low. Because that's like, oh, this is nice. So now it's a little nicer. I'm going to add a layer right here. Yeah, because it's a little drier and push up. Once you get all the way on, you can definitely touch a lot of the on it. But it's tough, obviously. Yes. I'm going to play the volcano. So nice. But you don't want to make it. I know what I'm saying. It looks like we didn't know what we were doing on that. So yeah, I'm going to get you stuff like that. It was all over the you like some lapses, but it's not bad. I mean, it's okay. I'm just going to test yourself. Yeah, that's what I was doing. So test the parts. We're going to make it, but we want to see if it's slow out. That's how you get help. Close. Not that much. Okay. So now we have to move these. Make it much better. Yeah. So I think it's quite seeing, it looks really nice. I'm showing you with. And obviously we're going to later. Josh, take the audio and record Josh. Josh record 18, 18 videos, so everything for that. Josh, just record Josh, record Josh, take the audio, record Josh. I'll put this last piece on the more so I'll build the but these last piece get over in. Okay, yeah. Special there. So now we're going to play. So now we finished the molding of the volcano because we only had one tub of clay and we went through all of it. But I'd still say it's pretty good. It looks pretty nice. We could have made it better if we had more clay. We could like build it up more to make it look more realistic. But it's all good. Don't worry about it. And then, like I said, we got the rim covered a little bit, just a little bit, to make it look nice. So yeah, now we're gonna test the explosion. Not in here, but we're gonna test the explosion in a different bottle. So yeah. Okay, take 2. So this time we filled it up with more soda. I think we did anyways. And we have more Mentos. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One's broken, but it's still 8. So we're gonna drop it all in and see if it makes a nice, better volcano explosion, I guess.
I mean, it flowed.
Okay, that's a lot better than the first one. We're back, and as you can see, this is our volcano. Josh ended up painting it, which you guys saw. Crap. Which you guys saw, because I have the painting. But we had to make it realistic, so we made the outside green, like leaves and stuff, because on the outside of volcanoes, it often has grass and stuff. Okay.
The HD quality, bro, for the vlog.
Okay, this is our volcano. We made the outside out of clay, and we're gonna be using Diet Coke and Mentos for the explosion.
Oh shit.
Oh, they're smart. I didn't think it had this.
Oh, they carefully plant this.
Oh, they're way smarter than me.
We got the Mentos all
I should
taped
have done
up.
that. I should have done that.
Watch it not do anything.
Oh, it's flat Diet Coke. Josh, I told you to go away. Okay.
Now we wait.
I feel better now.
Josh didn't pour it all like I told him to.
Now
So
we wait.
it did not work.
Hey, good try. Good effort.
No, it's gone. No. We failed the first time. But we're doing it again with different materials. So yeah. Put in a lot. Okay, we put some red dish soap in, vinegar, and dry ice.
Okay, I'm waiting. We've got. Apparently, we're not waiting.
Hey, that's actually pretty good, though.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
There we go.
It came out like
That's our explosion. That's our. Hey, move, Fernando, move the video.
Wait, pop the bubbles.
Oh, you're playing the video.
Hey,
How subtle can you get?
it worked, bro. It worked.
Right way.
And our volcano looks like the best.
That's sauce.
That's sauce.
Yeah.
Bro, you dare me to pop it with my bare hand, bro?
Bro, I dare you. You didn't give me a cat. Oh, it's just dry ice. Does it feel weird, bro?
It's cold.
Oh, that's hella cold. Oh, it's not that cold. Hey, feel the bubbles. Okay, first attempt failed, second attempt success. So what you guys are gonna need? You're gonna need dry ice. That's hard to get your hands on, but just buy some. You're gonna need some red dish soap to make it orange. And then you're gonna also need vinegar, and then put a lot of vinegar in. And then you're gonna also need baking soda. Add baking soda in the order we did it.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. So the order we did it was we did the vinegar first, then we added the dish soap.
Where's our baking soda?
I don't know, but Fernando took it off me. Okay. Yeah. So what you're gonna...
Is it hot or cold?
Why would it be hot?
That's actually cool. Yeah, so you add vinegar first, then the dish soap, then you add a piece of dry ice, and then you add baking soda. And then you get this dope effect, bro. Look at that.
That's lit. Smash it.
Let's touch the lava itself, bro.
Seth,
Yeah?
kill the YouTube channel and check the volcano.
Okay. Bye, YouTube.
So I'd like to take this time to say, if you enjoy my content, please consider donating to me on Patreon or buying me a coffee. Patreon is when you donate a certain amount of money, as little as $1 each month. And coffee is when you essentially give me a $3 donation or multiple $3 donations. And anything is appreciated, so thank you. Welp, now you guys got to see me fail a volcano explosion in front of my whole class, which was, in fact, expecting a huge explosion, but I disappointed them. But it's okay, because I made up for it for the second one, as you guys saw. If you didn't see, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You better go rewind and watch that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.